checking it out. 27, and you already got my last one.
10-4, we're approaching the 58.
I'm headed to you.
He's weaving in and out of traffic. Traffic's heavy. Speeds, I have to slow down. Traffic's heavy. Speeds are 100.
26, the city behind you.
10-4, it's coming up on you on the right. Watch out.
I see.
He just hit the curb.
Alright, good. I'm taking the flexible. We're gonna let now. 60-mile marker. So speeds are 133. You're still waving it out of traffic. Traffic medium. Weird.
I'm not holding yet, sir.
I'll call him just to catch up with that.
Good morning, sir.
So we're approaching at 64 eastbound. Speeds are 120. Traffic medium.
We're still eastbound.
Maybe get some flexures now. Where you at? Eastbound or westbound? You want to set up here at 78? Yeah, check for what's up at 78. EJ26 cars. We're approaching at 57 home with it. The exit speed of 130. High traffic. Yeah, dude's aware. Come on down. Yeah, dude's aware.
Wreck out, roll over, send it 1016. He's in the eastbound lane. Correction, westbound lane.
Go ahead and send fire EMS. He rolled over in the westbound lane.
Mom one.
He's in trap, he's in trap.
Hey, can you hear me? Can you get that door open, Elvin? Hey, I don't see him. Did he get ejected? I lost my radio. Stop! Stop! Block the road! Block the road! Did you see him? Check, make sure he's not in the back. We got beer cans. You found out? You got him. We got him.
Okay, man. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Keep breathing, man. 26 corporal. You got shallow breathing. He is breathing. He's conscious.
Here's some blows for you, Irvin.
And he has severe leg injuries.
10-4 EMS and first responders run around.
On the next 1011, he's off the roadway. It's upside down.
I guess you can be on the north side of 540. Thank you.
Y'all need any more help with traffic, or y'all set
Yes,
forth?
we will need help with traffic. How you good with him? I'm gonna try to come on. What's that? You good with him? Yeah, I'm good with him. Clark, so you have not ready. Can you go ahead and on call supervisor?
He's around.
J2, J27, can you copy?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, just whenever y'all get the break, I know you're busy right now, just give me a call, but take care of what you got on the thing right now.
10-4. Did he bleed?
35.
Yeah. Well, he's not technically bleeding. He's not really bleeding. No. Yeah. We just hold up on it. At least he starts blushing good. Gushing blood. Because if we see underneath it, there's not blood underneath. No. You see a little, you got a little bit of tendons and stuff. But if we straighten out that leg, it'll be a whole lot worse.
Hey, bud, can you hear me? Call a helicopter.
Yeah, we'll probably need one.
This Dogwood?
What's that?
Dogwood Road, is that what
I
it
don't
is?
know what this is called. Let's get these guys on the side of the side.
Shit.
It's all Pittsburgh. Is it Pittsburgh?
It's not Pittsburgh. It's, shit, 26. We call it the accent road.
Hey, I'm gonna move my unit that way they can train. Hey, brother, hey, can you hear me? Come on, hey, you're all right. We got help coming, okay?
Anybody else in the vehicle?
I couldn't find anybody else. It took us a minute to find him. Hey, once they come up here.
Jeff? Yeah, see if anybody else is there.
The other side door's open. Do it? No? No. We just gotta wait for the ambulance. Hey, y'all come over here real quick. We're starting cameras. I'm gonna try to get my car out of the median.
Mark up now.
10-1 birthday.